What's up, guys? This is my 98 Honda CRV 5-speed manual, all-wheel drive, clean title, 2-owner car. Runs well, drives well, all stock, unmodified. 258,000 miles, right around there. Cold AC, working heater. Just passed smog today. Just a little beater, little fun little SUV. These things are pretty fun with a manual transmission. And it's super clean inside. Super clean seats, headliner, stick shift. Runs well. Pretty much nothing wrong with it except for a dent. Got a dent right here. But other than that, it's pretty clean. Not bad at all. Price is gonna be $3,500 on this one. Maybe we'll do like $3,250 on this one. There's another one locally, well, not locally, in San Francisco. It's like really beat up, and it's like $4,500. So E20, all stock, unmodded. Anyway, if you're interested, like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks.